Assalamu alaikum class. Today our topic is the central nervous system. Previously we discussed about the nervous system, and the nervous system is further divided into the two types, central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Here today we discuss about the central nervous system. Central nervous system is further divided into the two parts, brain and the spinal cord. So firstly our topic is about the brain. All of you know that what is the brain, but here today we will discuss scientifically what is brain and what is the part of the brain and which part perform the different functions. So we discuss in detail today. First of all, location of the brain. You know that brain is present inside the bony cranium. What is the cranium? Cranium is the part of the skull. Our upper head, hard portion of the head is known as the cranium. Which is also known as the skull. All of you know that all the human activities or animal activities which are performed in a body under control by the brain, because brain is the center of the different types of neurons and nerve cells. These neurons and nerve cells act as the different types of stimulators and the receptors which convey the message in the form of the nerve impulses from one part of the body to the other part of the body. So that what is the location of brain? Inside the bony cranium brain is located, but inside the bony cranium there are also three layers present. The brain is covered by the three layers inside the bony cranium. So these three layers is also known as the meninges. The function of the meninges, first of all, it's an important short question. What is the meninges? The three layers which covered the bony cranium is known as the meninges. The function and the meninges perform the two basic functions in the human body. Firstly, meninges protect the brain, and the second important function, it also provides the nutrients and oxygen to the brain tissues for their respiration and the different types of the gaseous exchange through their capillaries. So the function of the meninges protect the brain and also provide the nutrients or oxygen to the brain tissues. And then, what is cerebrospinal fluid? This is also an important short question. In brains, some type of fluids also filled or present in the ventricles. So these ventricles are connected with the fluid continuous in the cerebrospinal fluid, and this fluid is continuous with the central canals of the spinal cord. So both this system, both these organs, fluids and the spinal cord, central canal of the spinal cord, are collectively known as the cerebrospinal fluid. So what is cerebrospinal fluid? The brain contains the ventricles which filled by the different types of fluids which is present in the brain, and which also continues with the central canal of the spinal cord. So both these collectively is known as the cerebrospinal fluid. Here we discuss about the divisions of the brain. Brain is further divided into the three parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Firstly we discuss forebrain. Forebrain is the largest area of the brain. It is highly developed in humans. Forebrain is also developed in animals, but it is highly developed in humans, because all of you know that Allah Almighty gave us the title Crown of Creations because this highly developed system which is present in the forebrain. And forebrain is further divided into the three parts: thalamus, hypothalamus and cerebrum. Firstly we discuss the thalamus. Thalamus is the part which is present below the cerebrum. Cerebrum is the third part, and the thalamus is present below the cerebrum, so that it is also act as the center between the brain and spinal cords. Means message can convey exchange throughout the brain and the spinal cord through the thalamus. It is the modified system which carry the sensory impulses, but except the nose. Means thalamus receives the sensory impulses throughout the body except nose, so that The functions of the thalamus, it controls our pain perceptions and also consciousness. All of you know that about consciousness. Sleeping and awakening processes is known as the consciousness, is under control by the consciousness controls.